My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called a Fast PDF Reader from your Google Chrome browser. So, Fast PDF Reader is the unwanted browser extension. The point is that it is quite unlikely that you would make a personal decision to install it. The trouble is that very often such extensions are spread through integration with some free applications, so people in many cases download and install them pretty unintentionally. Also, these extensions may be sometimes presented as some fake browser or software update alerts. So, speaking about Fast PDF Reader, this is not a malware, it is not a virus, but such extensions are fairly considered as potentially unwanted software. If you have discovered it to be the part of your Google Chrome browser, we recommend you to remove it. Now, how to remove unwanted extensions from the Google Chrome? Access the menu, click on More Tools, then Extensions. When you find this extension as active, you may deactivate it and remove the extension completely. So, in fact, this should be sufficient enough to actually fix your browser. However, this doesn't guarantee that there is no any other malware inside of your computer. In the light of this information, we strongly advise that you examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the application and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.